Hey guys, so this is my first video here in the United States. After flying 6,500 miles and driving in the car for 1,700 miles, we have finally arrived at our house in the United States. We just got here today. We drove in that thing for 24 hours. It wasn't very fun. So now we are here at our house and this is the first time that we've seen it. We actually haven't even seen the upstairs yet, so let's go look inside. Here it is. Here's the living room. Here's our dining room. Pretty fancy. Not really, it's not that fancy, but it's pretty nice. And definitely compared to our house in Okinawa, Japan, this is quite large and spacious. Here's the kitchen. Also, it's only my dad and I, so 50% of my family is not here and they have not seen our house yet. So this is for you, Mom. This is what your house is gonna look like when you come down here. Oh, okay, this is a closet. Pretty nice. There's a closet. And then I haven't been back here, so I don't know what. Oh, this is the upstairs. Okay, there's another door right here. What's behind this door? What's behind door number 1? Oh, another closet. Closets are very, very helpful. And then a bathroom. That's a spacious bathroom. Also, a laundry room. This is a really, really nice laundry room. Especially compared to our last house. This is very spacious. Now let's go upstairs because I haven't been upstairs yet. Let's flick on the light. And I'm excited. Oh, it looks like they vacuumed. All right, Mom, so this is what the stairs look like. Because like I said, she's not here with us and she's never seen the house before. This looks pretty nice. Like I also said, I have not seen the upstairs yet because we just arrived here not too long ago and I've only been downstairs. Bedroom. Okay, this one's larger, but this room has real nice lighting, but it's a little bit smaller. Okay, here's the master. There's a really nice walk-in closet. Here you go, Mom. Here's the closet. And then a bathroom. One last bedroom over here. I feel like this one might be larger. I think I'd rather have a little bit more space in my room than have a larger closet. Another closet here, probably for like towels and linens. All right, and then here's gonna be my bathroom. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Nice. The bathrooms have a lot of space. It's almost like you could even decorate the bathroom. There's so much space. Also, I almost forgot to mention that there is a porch. Well, okay, patio. There is a patio. It has a great view of the neighbor's house wonderful. It's actually really cute out here. This is what the backyard looks like, Mom. Now I'm taking all of my stuff upstairs to my room. The room that I've claimed, because I'm pretty sure that no one cares which room I take. The last clip that you saw was from the day that we moved in, and then the next day the movers came and brought all of our stored stuff, which is the stuff that we didn't take to Japan. Keep in mind that all this stuff is kind of like things that we don't really need for everyday life, and it's not all that helpful. I mean, they did bring a table and 2 couches, which is great and wonderful, but all of our main shipment from Japan is going to be coming in about 1 to 2 months, so that's a long time, especially when we are quarantined for 2 weeks. Now that we're here in the United States and because we were in Japan, we have So now that we're here in the United States and because we came from Japan, they are mandating that we quarantine for 2 weeks. And the rules are extremely strict. I'm literally not allowed to leave the house for anything. My dad is the only one who's allowed to get curbside pickup. And I'm not even allowed to go drive in the car. I cannot leave the house. It's pretty boring, but I guess it's not too bad. And if we break any of the rules, which we're not going to, obviously, legal action could be taken. It's really serious. Also, like I previously mentioned, my mom and brother, they didn't come with us. My brother's getting ready for his next semester of college, and my mom is down there doing some stuff as well. I don't know if I made it totally clear, like, what happened or like where we flew once we left Okinawa. So once we got on the plane, leaving Okinawa, we flew to Iwakuni, Yokota, Seattle, Washington, St. Louis, Missouri, and then we got off at St. Louis, Missouri, and drove to North Carolina to pick up my dad's car. And then my dad and I drove in a U-Haul truck to the state that we live in now. And I know I said 24 hours in the beginning of the video, but it was 23, so we drove 23 hours in a U-Haul truck, hauling a car on the back for 23 hours straight through. We didn't stop at a hotel. He drove straight through. He took like some naps, obviously, but like really short naps, and it was a super long drive, and it was really tiring. This move has been the most tiring and stressful move we've ever done. All right, so that's pretty much it. We're now moved into our house, and if you'd like to see more videos from America, because I can't say Asia anymore, obviously, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate you and your view. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.